Welcome to the You Are Undefeated channel. In life, there is one thing we all need: persistence and discipline. There is no path to success without challenges and obstacles. But it's these challenges that present opportunities for us to grow, to sharpen our persistence and discipline. These aren't innate qualities. They are habits that can be built and nurtured over time. Today, let's explore how we can develop these two factors and turn them into the key to success in life. 1. Persistence is the key to success. Success is not a stroke of luck. It's the relentless choice to keep moving forward, no matter the setbacks. Each day presents a new opportunity to persevere, to push through the challenges that threaten to derail our dreams. It's not about being perfect. It's about showing up and giving your all, even when the path is steep and littered with obstacles. Those who succeed embrace the struggle, knowing that every misstep is a lesson, and every moment of doubt is just a stepping stone on the road to greatness. 2. Discipline is inner strength. Discipline is often misunderstood as a rigid constraint, yet it is the very foundation of true freedom. When we embrace discipline, we harness our inner strength, transforming our lives. Each time we resist the allure of laziness, we reclaim our power, directing our energy toward meaningful pursuits. This control over our actions and emotions allows us to navigate challenges with clarity and purpose. As we consistently choose to focus on our long-term goals, we discover that discipline paves the way for growth and self-realization, ultimately leading us to the freedom we seek. 3. The journey takes longer than you think. Personal growth is not a sprint, but a marathon, an enduring journey paved with small steps taken each day. Each effort, no matter how minor, builds momentum toward your aspirations. Embrace the challenges along the way, for they are not just obstacles, but vital lessons that shape your character. Persistence becomes your ally, reminding you that every setback is a chance to rise stronger. With discipline guiding your actions, you gain clarity and focus, transforming the arduous path into a meaningful quest for greatness. 4. Embrace failure as part of the process. Embracing failure is like embracing the storms in life. They may seem daunting, but they unveil the beauty of growth. Each mistake becomes a stepping stone, shaping resilience and wisdom. When challenges arise, persistence fuels the journey, transforming setbacks into valuable lessons. It's in those moments of struggle that we discover our strength and determination. By learning from our experiences, we not only overcome obstacles, but also carve a path toward greatness, where discipline and courage intertwine to empower our aspirations. 5. Persistence is a commitment to yourself. Persistence is a quiet promise one makes to oneself, a commitment to keep moving forward even when the path is obscured by obstacles. It's not about the applause or the accolades. True persistence springs from an internal well of determination, a belief that every step taken, regardless of its size, holds intrinsic value. When one learns to appreciate their own efforts, setbacks transform into lessons, fostering resilience and wisdom. This internal drive nurtures personal growth, igniting a fire that cannot be extinguished by external circumstances, leading to a deeper understanding of one's true potential. 6. Build habits every day. Building habits every day is like planting seeds in a garden. Each small action nurtures growth and transformation over time. Dedicating just 10 minutes to focused work or immersing oneself in a book can spark profound change. These seemingly minute practices cultivate discipline and persistence, allowing us to face life's challenges with newfound strength. Each day, as we commit to these small efforts, we create a foundation for lasting change, slowly molding our lives into a reflection of our aspirations and passions. Embracing this journey empowers us to unlock our true potential, one habit at a time. 7. Believe in your own strength. In a world filled with challenges, she learned that self-belief was the cornerstone of her journey. Each setback, whether a failed project or a missed opportunity, became a stepping stone towards growth. With every stumble, she realized that failure wasn't the end, but a chance to reflect and adapt. By embracing discipline, she harnessed her energies and pushed through the discomfort of her doubts. Gradually, These small, consistent efforts transformed her perception of obstacles into valuable lessons, revealing her true potential and guiding her towards a path of success. Through persistence, she not only overcame her challenges, but also emerged stronger, ready to face whatever came next. So the journey to develop persistence and discipline isn't easy, but it can definitely be built step by step. Remember, success isn't the destination. It's the process you go through every day. Persistence, discipline, and belief in yourself will guide you to amazing things. Thank you for watching today's video. Keep staying persistent with your goals, and always remember, you're the only one who can write your own success story. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to make sure you don't miss any future inspiring videos. Together, we are undefeated. You are unstoppable.